welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got an unboxing today. So a lovely lady has sent me some diamond painting trays. So this is from Pam, so thank you, Pam. Let's have a look. Now I am opening it upside down just because then all address labels are hidden, both mine and hers, so bear that in mind as I open it up. It is upside down. Ooh. So let's have a look. So this has all got dresses on. So okay, so she says she's a fan of my diamond painting videos. Thank you very much, Pam. And while watching, she started to see some of the limitations of the drill trays, especially with returning unused drills to their containers. She saw some 3D printed trays on Etsy that didn't really suit her needs, so she asked her husband to design something. Wow. So he started with a design, added the funnel, elevated the side, added in loops for gripping, and then shortly after that she asked him to design to make something to help remove any stubborn drills, and he designed a mini rake with grooves to fit in the fins. While she was using the tray, she shook it a bit too hard and a few drills escaped through the funnel, so she asked him to make a plug for the funnel spout. So the finished product is available on Thingiverse. I will pop the link in the description below, and it's free for anybody to download and print for their own personal use. She's also selling prints of it on her eBay store as well, so I'll link that as well. This sample's free for me to try, no obligation to return it, endorse it or promote it. Well, I'll let you guys know what I think. It's up to you, of course, if you want to purchase them or not, but I'll put the information there for anybody that wants it. Yeah, and she'd like my feedback on it, whether I do it on video or not. So I'm excited. Let's have a look-see. These are gorgeously wrapped, by the way. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's have a look. Ooh, very interesting. Okay, I'm liking the colour already. Grey's a very in one. So that is for pushing the diamonds down, and that is lined up with the more so that way. It is lined up with the indentations in the tray, if my camera will focus. Let me get rid of the bit that was helping it stay in the packaging. So I'm liking this, so you can hold your tray, and then this for pushing any stray ones out, and this of course will stop it from, I have that where they fall out the end of the tray, and then we've got a plug in the end to stop them falling out while you're working. Wow, I'm impressed. I am definitely going to be giving this a go, Pam. So thank you so much for this. Let me have a look. Is it the same in the other one? It feels the same. I think it may just be a different colour. It is. So this is a more clearer one, more standard one. Again, we've got the scraper, which I'm sure you could use up there while you're working on it, or of course have it near you or nearby. And we've got another stopper in the tray as well. So if anybody would like the information for the print so that you can print it yourself. Oh, get the stopper out of that one. It was a bit stiffer, but still moves. Yeah, I like these. Let me show you this one more, just because it's easier for clarity than the clear one for you to see the difference. But I like this. So we've got a holder so you can hold them, and of course if you do manage to drop it, which we all do at times when working on a diamond painting, I've definitely done that before, it's not going to go too far, which is good, even if you lose one hand. I like the fact it's got sort of a cover there, because if you do have a lot of drills that you're trying to tip back, it will be interesting to actually work on this one and see how it works. We've just got a bit of the 3D on the end of there, but I do like the idea that, you know, you can put a stopper in it, so if you do happen to drop it or tilt your tray, it's fine, you can shake them back. I will be interested to see whether it does or does not get stuck at any point in there, but you know, that end of the scraper will fit in there, and most of that end will as well, to be fair. But I've not seen them with those before. That's cool. So yeah, I will definitely give those a go. As I say, I will pop the links down below. I'll pop the link for the finished product rather than the design he started with, just because I don't want to cause confusion with people clicking on both. And then I will also put her eBay store where she's selling prints of it. So as far as I'm aware, that would be the completed tray for anybody that doesn't have the option to 3D print, like myself. I don't. But I'm really liking that. I like see. Sorry, I just keep scraping this scraper. I can't believe how much it does all line up. It lines up exactly with the little trays to give those diamonds a nudge and tell them where they're going. So yes, very excited. Thank you ever so much, Pam and hubby of Pam. Thank you so much. I don't think she says his name, but that's fair enough. Yeah, thank you so much to Pam for sending me these. I will give these a go on my current paintings, and I will of course let you guys know how they fare and how they work out. I have purchased 2 3D trays, and you know, while they were good, they weren't as easy as my big white tray. I think it was just partly due to the printing at the bottom, but I think that this tool for getting them out may help a lot with that, so I'm very interested to try these. So thank you all for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.